From the west to the east, from the north to the south, one blood, one name, let me hear you shout. We're Ashanti, born of fire, warriors' hearts, ancestral power. Autumn fuel sits on the sacred throne.